Hey guys, so I'm going to be teaching all the features in the Red Dragon. Right here I have the white version one, the Kimura K something, I don't know. But so basically I'm going to show you the features. So first of all, you can see the colors. So you can do FN insert. We're going to have that color, rainbow. I'm going to insert again like that, then insert again like that. And then we're gonna go FN and then home. Home is really cool. I personally like this a lot. So like showing WSD. It looks good, like all crazy. Like my kind of style. Do like wave or like. Then we have another mode. This one is when you press one, it lights up like 2 seconds, and then the other one is you press it, the whole row does it. So if you just want to do VSD in the bottom row, it would be very cool. Let me just shut down my PC. Put it to sleep. Do anything weird? Okay, so after that you can. Very cool feature. You can see here. Okay, my PC just went to sleep. Let's turn it on again. PC turn on. Okay, good. Okay, so it's lagging a bit. File Explorer. Okay, my PC is going crazy right now. It's going crazy. It's going crazy. Okay. Okay. Let's close it out. Okay, so this one just makes a very cool effect. The line. Good. I'm not sure. Oh, yeah. Okay. Open Google Chrome. Okay, for some reason, it's going weird. I don't know why, but let's see the features tab. And then we also got a page up, which does this effect. Very cool effect. Ask. So you see here, we don't have number locks, but it's fine. So it's like that. It's very cool. And then another page up is like this thing, and another page up. Let's do delete. It goes like all crazy. So I just press this right. And then let's do another. Whoa, okay. And let's do end. End is like every key is different colors. And then again. So each of these have 3 modes. Now right now I'm pressing page down. It goes kind of in a wave by itself. But now it's just weird. Close window. End. Caps lock. So okay, and then now we're gonna go into the custom place. Okay, custom. You press FN right here, FN, and then you press the thing next to 1. These 2 stuff should start lighting up, right? And then you can press FN and arrow. Okay, you have to press it again. Now it's lighting up, you press this, you press N and the right arrow, and then you can customize which is which. If you want to switch colors, press FN and the arrow again. Switch colors, and press FN, arrow again, switch colors. And then if you don't want anything, like if you do this, there's a benefit, like you won't have the rainbow colors when you do it. So for example, here I made a custom, right? I go to home, it's only green, it's not rainbow anymore. So if you want it to go rainbow, go to custom, go custom, and say custom. Now it's in custom, you can press arrow key, different color. You keep spamming it until it's the one that goes around. Keep spamming FN and right arrow. So right now it's in the color mode. Keep spamming it. Keep testing it out until the color goes away. See, it goes away after like some clicks. Set everything, and then now it should go back to home. It should be rainbow again. And I really like the Red Dragon because it's not pricey, and it basically has everything, like the RGB lights of a $100 keyboard. It's very nice, and I bought the blue switches one. I highly recommend blue switches. Blue switches because they're clickier. You know what I'm saying? That's a good video. My Red Dragon, the Blight Origin. I'll see you guys in the next one.